section should be made as a quiz, as a graded quiz. Now how will I do that? I will go to the settings, then check the general tab first. Don't click on collect email address. If you do this, your quiz will be available only those students who you are invited via email address. So for the moment I don't want to do that, so I want to make it as public. So go to leave as it is, go to quizzes, make this as a quiz. Immediately after each submission, that means when you submit your quiz, you must be able to see your score, your results. Then let all this option be ticked and say save. Okay. Now how will I give points to the right answer? How will I grade this quiz now? Can you see here one answer key here? Okay. Click on this and then you choose the right answer. For me this was the right answer, April 1st 1934. So give the point 1. If you want to give 2 points, you may give 2 points. It's left to you. Now say done. You can see this is the right answer. April 19, that is 1st 1934 is the right answer. Then you duplicate this. Only change the question and the options. Go back to my Word, check the second question. Just copy it here. Don Bosco was born on this particular portion of the question. Cut it and you paste it here. Also paste it here. Okay. Now this here I will just edit it. Instead of 15 I will make it as 14. Then I will copy it and this is be 1815. This is the right answer. Now what I will do, I will go back to my answer key. This is not the right answer, so you remove this tick from here and click on this bullet and give the point 1 and then say done. So I have added 2 questions with the 2 options. You may add more questions with more options. For practical purpose, I have just added 2 questions with the 2 options. Now, before posting this or publishing this quiz, I must check, I must preview this so that it is error free. So for that, you go to this option, preview. Just check it. Standard 1, division B, first name is required here. Anything you can write. I'll write my own name. Roll number 1. Then you say next. Don Bosco was canonized on April 1934. This is the right answer. Was born in 1815. And then say submit. View the score. So the first section will be 0 of 0 because it is an identity. You won't have graded section here, but the later on you will have the graded section here. So you got 2 of 2 points. That's it. This is how you create the quiz now. Now I have to publish this quiz. To publish this, I have to make a link. So how will I do that? Go back to your quiz here and say click on send, S-E-N-D, send. Keep the correct email address same, don't go to ticket, and click on this link. You will get a link now here. Now this link is too lengthy, I want to shorten this, so you can click shorten this link and go to copy. So the link is copied. Go back to your Google Classwork now, and then there are two ways of publishing this now. One is publishing for only those students whom you want to show it via inviting them via email addresses. For that you have to use this option, add, and click on link, and then Control V and add link. Then you have to click on assign. Click on assign. Okay. But before that you have to invite the students via email. You have to invite people, students' email address. Then only this quiz will be available for those students. Now if I don't want to invite students, but I want to make it as public for everyone, giving them a suitable code. So for that I go back to class, go back to my main page, here classwork, stream, and then what I will do, I will click on share something with class. Click on this. Here I will write quiz on Don Bosco. And go to add link and Control V, same link, add this link. Here don't forget to post it. If you don't post it, your link will not be posted to the students. So post it. Then you may share this particular code. Share this particular code to your students to whom you want to use this quiz. This is how we can prepare a quiz using Google Classroom. I hope this tutorial is of some help for you all to take it forward. Thank you and God bless you.